Maxie is playing outside. He likes outside today better than inside because it's cooler. Come on, Max, go get it. Oh, he's a little slow. Yeah, okay. He doesn't even want to. What happened, Max?
Wanna go in? Wanna go in?
If he's inside, he wants to go outside, but when he's outside, he whines.
Wanna go inside? Come on.
And there's Mike
Good
with his
boy.
fake glasses that he just likes to wear.
Go up, up.
Yeah. He can climb stairs now.
Wanna go in?
Used to be hard for him. Oh wait, he'll come back out. Don't forget to wipe his paws.
Okay.
I want to stay out here because you know he's gonna come back out. And I'm just chilling out here. And still hear Maximus squeaking inside. But yeah, it's really nice outside today. It's breezy. Look at it. Look at the clouds. It's like so perfect. It's really nice, perfect weather. I think it's like low 80s. I'm not really sure. But yeah, watch. In 2 seconds he'll come back out. Yeah, what time is it now? Actually, I don't know what time it is. Okay, so I will come back when Maximus comes out. Bye!